Lavia, Lavia na midfielder. You no understand. Lavia na midfielder. In fact, that boy name na Lavia midfielder. Kai injury. Ah, Chineke me. Oh God. Hi. Na God go punish injury. Oh, wow. Oh God. Jesus Christ. Since 2023 that Chelsea signed this boy. This is the first time Lavia completed 90 minutes on the pitch. Kai, injury no go better for you. Kai, this one pay me. I swear this one pay me. If this boy dey fit, wetin concern me now? If this boy dey fit, wetin I dey find again for that midfield? If this boy just dey fit, wetin I dey find? Kai, God, I swear.